Well, Steamer Joe again. I'm out in the barn at the moment. My machine in the basement is set up to do mill work, which I've got to do on the valve. I've got to drill and ream the hole for the banjo pin through the end of it. So I came out to use the old South Bend. One of my other videos I explained that I got the little Atlas mill from the same man I bought this lathe from. And I cleaned it up and did a little repair work, and I've now used it for a variety of things, particularly when I'm set up on an operation in the basement shop. So I'm ready to take the final couple of thou off the end of the valve. I needed to machine it to exact length so I can set it up on the surface table and mark out position for the valve bosses and the pin. So I'll run one pass across the end of this valve. On the South Bend. Well, you might see this little, I don't know if you can even see it with the reflection, but I made this little indicator holder from a kit of castings, and it's worked out great down here. I don't have any other kind of DRO or Travidol on this lathe, but it's a pretty slick little indicator holder. Looks good. I had to put a new motor on this. I came out a couple of weeks ago, and same kind of deal. I was set up in the basement and I came out here to use this lathe, and when I turned it on, the 100-year-old motor on it started smoking and burned out, so I had to replace the motor. And a friend of mine had this big old, this is a 6-inch chuck. It should really be a 5-inch on here, but the South Bend lathe, or chuck that came with the lathe, was really in terrible shape. So a buddy of mine had this chuck, just some Chinese chuck, I think, but it seems to work well. But look at the size of that thing. My gosh. I'll probably switch it out and put a 5-inch on there. Anyway, Steamer Joe, back to the basement shop.